Aquia is a single mother of three who has to travel miles a day to get limited dirty water for herself and her three kids. She is sick multiple times a week because of this dirty tap water. As a solution for this problem, we first thought of a bottled water service, but that wasn't economical. We then thought about government subsidies, but there's a lack of government cooperation. We then devised a system of organically using nature to our advantage.
Introducing Aqued, a solution to the water scarcity and contamination issues that are faced in Tibetan refugee communities. The city of Dharamsala holds one of the largest numbers of Tibetan refugees in the world, as it is the location of the Tibetan government in exile that was established by the Dalai Lama. A major issue faced by the Tibetan refugees is an insufficient access to clean, filtered water. Supply is often scarce, and refugee adults and children alike suffer from diseases linked to water contamination, such as gastrointestinal problems, typhoid, and cholera. The primary source of drinking water in Dharamsala is natural groundwater and tap water. Water assessment surveys have been taken in these refugee camps and have shown that the tap water used by refugees contains significant traces of lead and copper. The collection of rainwater by itself is not an adequate water source, as it may harbor dangerous bacteria. However, Aqued provides a solution to this by filtering collected rainwater through a reverse osmosis purification system while simultaneously creating jobs in refugee communities.
So now we're going to talk about why and how it works, starting with rainfall in Dharamsala and collection feasibility. To start, Dharamsala has the second highest rainfall in India. It contains summer, rainy, and winter seasons. During the rainy season, which is July through October, there is more than 120 inches of precipitation. In the wettest month of July, there can be up to 40 inches of rainfall. Based on our calculations, 0.9 inches of rainfall is needed to fill our 20-gallon barrels. During the monsoon season, this is a highly feasible amount of water to be reached, and even during the non-rainy seasons, it is still a very easy number to reach. Now, we consider rain as fixed, so it's going to be constantly going no matter how many barrels we have. So the most efficient and effective way to manipulate nature is to get the most barrels out that we have in the community and bring them to our reverse osmosis plant.
Now I'm going to tell you about how this system will actually work. In order to collect sufficient levels of rainwater, refugee families will enroll in Aqued's water collection program. Each family enrolled will receive a rainwater collection kit, which includes a water barrel on wheels and the tubing which will connect the gutters to serve as a funnel where the rainwater will go from the roofs of the homes into our collection barrels. When the rainwater levels reach the 20-gallon limit, the barrel is brought to one of Aqued's facilities within the camp and exchanged for a new barrel with 15 gallons of clean, filtered water as compensation. The facility will then sell the excess 5 gallons that it keeps back to the community at an affordable price of 40 rupees per gallon. Each facility can process 1,000 gallons per day. Therefore, 10,000 rupees generated by the facility per day can be used for facility maintenance and salaries. Currently, 1 gallon of filtered water in Dharamsala typically costs 60 rupees on the market. Our facilities will be able to sell water back to the community at a rate of 40 rupees per gallon. This enables refugees to afford cleaner, healthier water for consumption rather than relying on tap water. When our facilities are running at full capacity, they will be able to generate the 10,000 rupees per day from the water sales, and that money will be used to pay employees who will run and maintain the facility.
So in conclusion, we expect our solution to provide refugee families with clean water for drinking, cooking, bathing, as well as other daily needs. We hope to make the process of receiving and retaining water easier for the residents of those refugee camps. Our process will create an entirely new method of gathering water, and we expect it to be very well received by the people and highly impactful. Economic support will also be an added bonus incorporated through our solution. Jobs will be created, people will be needed to operate the filtration system, ensure the smooth exchange of water, as well as to monitor the process as a whole and act as enforcers. This will strengthen the local economy and create a better environment overall. In addition, we wish to decrease the levels of disease and keep the people healthier. Thank you.